intermediate phrased dance. And it's got a part A, an A minus, a B, and a B minus, and one easy 4-count tag. So part A is 18 counts, and I'll go over that first. You're going to rock forward, cross rock, recover, and do a full turn triple. Then side rock, recover, behind side cross, side shuffle, quarter turn sailor, rocking chair, and a side rock, recover. That's part A. The counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. A minus is all of that except for the side rock at the end. A minus is 16 counts, so you just leave off the side rock at the end of that. Part B is 32 counts. You're going to begin with 2 points of a samba diamond, and you're going to be turning an 8th turn each time so that you complete a quarter turn right. So it's going to go cross, back, back, turning an 8th of the turn, behind, side, cross, completing your quarter turn right. You're going to step out to the right and drag your left, and then behind, quarter turn. Now you take your left and step, drag your right, behind, quarter turn. Forward rock at the top, rock, recover, half turn sailor. Overturn your sailor just a little bit, and then do a volte turn, 3/4 volte turn, to take you all the way around 3/4. Then you're going to do step, anchor step. So the counts for that so far, starting with the diamond, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Next section, 1, 2, sailor, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and. Next section, another anchor step with your right, so out, step behind, recover, step pivot, full turn, shuffle. So the counts for that, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then you're going to do a side rock, 8 and. Going into the next section, cross, side rock, cross. You're going to do a half turn right, rock back, recover, a half turn left, and a quarter turn. That finishes section B. Starting with B, I'm going to walk through all the counts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of B, you're going to do a 4-count jazz box, a half turn jazz box, which is the tag. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do B minus, which is 16 counts of B, and then you just follow the sequence. And so I walked you through all the steps. Be sure and watch the demo video because that will help also. Hope you enjoy it.